The current industry seems to be, it seems like it's going to, I don't know, get to maybe around 100 gigawatts a year of AI compute. But that doesn't answer the question of, well, how do you get to a terawatt? That's why you need the TerraFab. In order to get to the next order of magnitude, you need a gigantic chip factory. And to give you a sense of scale here, we expect that the TerraFab is going to be around 100 million square feet, which is 10 times the size of the Tesla Gigafactory, Texas.
And what, aside from just, I'm going to need Starship point to point to get from one end to the other, aside from just the size, what's going to make this unique, different from any other chip building operation on the planet?
Well, I think over time, there's going to be a lot of technology evolution with the TerraFab, but fundamentally, it's about scale. So even if there were no fundamental technology breakthroughs, you could simply scale the existing chip-making technology with a lot of difficulty to a terawatt of chip output per year. That's, if you look at it just from the logic die standpoint, that's equivalent. That's like having 1 billion chips per year with a kilowatt per radical. So it's 1 billion full radical equivalent chips, each doing a kilowatt, and then you're going to need a lot of memory to go with that. This is what we are going to try to do, and think we probably can do, which is to get to roughly an annualized rate of 1 gigawatt per year by the end of next year in terms of space AI compute, and then aspirationally scale that by an order of magnitude per year. So in 2.5 years, hitting an annualized rate of 10 gigawatts a year to space, in 3.5 years, maybe 100 gigawatts, and then depending upon what progress there is in chip making in the rest of the world, and with the TerraFab, going beyond that to scale to a terawatt per year, which is 1,000 gigawatts. Right. Which is that's twice the current electricity consumption of the United States. So there is, in order to get to another 3 orders of magnitude to 1,000x from a terawatt per year, the only way that we can really see that you can achieve that is on the moon with a mass driver, essentially where you do local production of photovoltaics and solar and radiators on the moon.